Hey everyone, welcome to another 0 to 60. This one's going to be a super quick tech tips on changing the bonnet struts. This vehicle, it's the one we did the Triple C unit on a couple of weeks ago, and when we opened the bonnet to stick it on charge for the coating, I went to hang my trusty little bonnet light on the hook like I always do, and its bonnet struts are toast. Super easy, quick thing to change, and that's what we're going to do now. I might have to get Dave to hold the bonnet up while we do it. One pick tool is all you need. So the bonnet struts, they're held on with circlips, and it's just a matter of popping the circlip out on each end. Might need to just release the pressure on the bonnet a bit. Like so, and then, lucky my head was there. That's how they come off. Now I'll just grab the new one. These were the cheapest set we could find on Amazon. And it is just a matter of, the circlips are actually already in place and you don't need to release them. You can literally just put them straight over the ball joints. That one's popped on. That one's done, and now the other side.
So you can see the difference there, just with one new strut.
It's holding it up.
Holds it up.
God, these bits, I don't think they've ever been removed. Got there in the end. Okay, you're holding the bonnet. Tap to remove. And the other one. And that's done. What's the timer say? 2 minutes 10, bonnet strut swap. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.